guys, welcome to my YouTube channel today. Thank you so much guys for being here. In today's video I'm going to show you how I design two turban head wrap. The other one is for flowers, the other one is for bow tie. If this is something you are really interested, definitely be sure to hit the legal subscription button down this video so that you can also be part of my sewing squad. Without wasting anyone's time, let's go straight to cut the fabric that I'm going to be using it for the flower turban. Now guys, I'm just going to cut this fabric. I'm going to be using it for the flower. So guys, I decided to cut it again so that I can do two little flowers, you can see, and I'm going to fold it in half and cut the edge like this. After that guys, I'm going ahead and show you the measurement. I did 22 inch by 21 on each of this fabric. After that guys, I'm going ahead and fold it in two equal half, right side facing each other. Then I sew here. I'm going to be using this my overlocker, so if you had the zigzag, you also use zigzag. Now guys, I'm just sewing on these two pieces. Now guys, I'm done sewing these two pieces here. I'm going ahead and flip them inside out like you see me doing it here. The next step guys, I'm going to find the midpoint on each of these turban fabric. I'm going to mark using my pen. I'm also going to do the permanent gather stitch that you always find at the front of this turban head wrap. I have done a lot of video similar to this one, so that is why I'm making this video. It should be a little bit on a fast mode. So if you want to see the process step by step, I'm going to link the video so that you can go and watch. You can see clearly what I'm doing here. Now guys, I'm going to repeat the very same process on these other pieces. I'm going to sew the permanent gather stitch right at the middle. Now guys, this is how it looks like so far. Now guys, it's time for me to sew the flowers. I'm just going to fold it in two equal half. Then I'm going to sew the gather stitch around here using my hand needle. On this other piece, I'm just repeating what I did to the first one. I'm going to sew the gather stitch all around until I reach the other point. small piece that I'm doing right now, I'm going to put it on top of this bigger piece. It's going to look amazing. This is how it looks. So I'm going to put it at the front of the turban. Before attaching them together, I'm just going to finish with this turban body. I'm going to sew it on the other side, at the top and at the back, using my overlocking sewing machine. Guys, I think overlocker works very perfect for this turban head wrap because it's allow them to stretch. So if you had overlocker or the zigzag stitch, make use of that stitches so that your turban can also stretch and sit perfect on your head. Now guys, I'm done sewing the turban. So I'm going to do the permanent gather stitch that you always see at the back of each turban head wrap. I'm going to use double thread on my needle so that it won't tear out anytime when you pull this turban on. So I'm going to do double stitch and secure it. Now guys, this turban is ready. It's ready. I'm only left with attaching those flowers, and the other one I'm going to attach the bow tie. Now guys, I'm going ahead and sew the bow tie for other turban head wrap. I told you that I'm sewing two turban at the same time. So now this is for the other one. I forgot to leave some space here on this other turban so that I can pass through the bow tie. So I'm forced to unpick some threads. After that, I realized that my spring tie needs to be a little bit attachment with the straight line machine, because overlock I can't do it work alone. So you need some straight line so that you can secure your spring tie. Now guys, the next step, I'm going to attach the bow tie. The first thing, I'm flipping it inside out, right side come out, so that I can start gathering and tie my bow tie. The next step guys, I'm going to put through this spring tie. I'm going to put on the space that I just did later on. I'm going to tie it around and pull through the loop. This is how I am doing it. Unfortunately, I didn't realize that I'm doing it outside the camera, but guys, this is the easiest thing you can do. So I have another video that I was doing this kind of turban, so I'm just doing the repetition on this video. So guys, this is a spring tie turban cap done. It's really look beautiful. I really like the outcome as well. So I'm not sure if I can manage to get the photo because now it's late Yeah, I'm just going to end the video. I hope you guys really like. If you do so, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, guys. If this is something you are really interested, definitely be sure to give it a thumbs up. Bye. I will definitely see you on my next video. Bye.